Hello, and welcome to yet another video. This is response to comments 2. So, yeah, I'm sorry it's been so long since my last video, but real life has intervened. Some good, some bad stuff, but I won't go over that. Anyways, I'm so glad to see so many subscriptions. I mean, there's so many of you now, so I guess I better book up my ideas, hey, and get some more videos out. Also, I love the video responses I've got. The latest one, music is my thing, ardderchog. Honestly, I'm really surprised. I guess I must be doing something right. So anyway, I've had a few questions. The first one is whether, from various people, is whether I'll be going more in depth. Music is my thing, as for sort of me to go into more in depth about sentence structure and things. And I guess, well, if that's what you guys want, I'll try. It can be quite complicated, but I'll give it a go. Somebody else, I'm sorry, a lot of the names, I'm rubbish with names, wanted me to do a video on time and how to tell the time. So, watch this space. Another person wanted me to teach him the lyrics to the Welsh lullaby Sir Gan, which is quite interesting. I mean, I like singing, so might give that a go, so watch this space. Okay, back to music is my things question. In her video, she asked for some Welsh words, and I think she found them online. They were geographical words, I think. There was two words, so two versions of each word, and she asked why. And she guessed it was because of the difference between North Welsh and South Welsh. Good guess, but it's wrong, no. The reason there are two different words, sometimes like bach and vach, is because, like a lot of European languages, Welsh has got both male and female genders. Now, I don't really want to get into that, it's quite complicated. But on a basic level, for instance, if you want to say, little lady, right, you'd say, merch fach, v, with an F on it. But a little boy is bachgen bach, with a b on it. So, yeah. But for some reason, things like tables are female, I think, and things like that. I don't really want to get into it. If you're ever in any doubt, use the first one, which is always the male one. So, bach instead of vach, die instead of dwy, and so on. So, yeah, I hope that helps. So, also, music is my thing, had the question, if there's two R's, do you roll it longer? And the question is, yes, you do. In her video, which you can watch in responses to lesson 3, that's exactly what she did, and it was exactly right, so yes. So anyways, I hope to get some more videos out soon. I'm sorry I haven't done a lot recently, but I'll try my best. So anyway, until next time, Hoyle.